Everyone procrastinates, but not everyone's a procrastinator. And what we've been able to study here at DePaul University is to show that 20% of adult men and women are what we call chronic procrastinators. My interest as a psychologist, as a research psychologist here at DePaul, has been on why people do this as a maladaptive lifestyle, because it really is not successful. So what is procrastination? It's more than time management problems. It's intentionally delaying the start and the finishing of a project that you knew that need to get done. Why do we allow this in our culture? Why does this occur? I think because as a culture, we have forgotten the old proverb, the early bird gets the worm. A very common example of that I use is for students to understand, is I ask them, think of your instructors in your class. What do they say? Well, this is the date something is due, and if you get it in late, I take off points. And I ask them, how many have ever heard that? And they all raise their hand, yes. Then I say, how many times has your instructor said, this is the due date, but if you get it in earlier, I give you bonus points? I rarely, if ever, get a hand up. We as faculty need to come up with incentives that get students to do things early, not punish them for being late. There's a lot of myths that people have. People sometimes say, I work best under pressure. They don't work best under pressure. We've actually done experiments here in psychology at DePaul in the psych department where we controlled for factors and we had them under time pressure. Now they thought they did better and they believed that they did better, but their performance was worse. What are some techniques that one could learn? Use reminder notes. Find social support. That means find people who will support you for doing things. Be more organized. It's time for the public, it's time for people to start taking this much more seriously.